let's dive into the fascinating world of healing your leaky gut with the power of food. Have you ever experienced discomfort or bloating after eating? If so, you might be dealing with digestive issues that could be linked to a condition known as leaky gut. Today, we're going to explore how certain foods can work wonders in healing your gut and improving your overall health. Understanding leaky gut. Before delving into the ways to heal leaky gut, it's essential to understand what it is and how it affects the body. The gut lining, which is made up of epithelial cells, acts as a barrier that controls what gets absorbed into the bloodstream. When this barrier becomes compromised, it can result in leaky gut syndrome, where toxins, microbes, and undigested food particles leak into the bloodstream, triggering an immune response. Causes of leaky gut. Several factors can contribute to the development of a leaky gut, including poor diet. High consumption of processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can damage the gut lining. Chronic stress. Prolonged stress can weaken the immune system and the gut barrier. Alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol intake can increase gut permeability. Medications. Long-term use of nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, and antibiotics can disrupt gut health. Infections. Bacterial, viral, and fungal infections can damage the gut lining. Symptoms of leaky gut. The symptoms of leaky gut can vary widely, but common signs include chronic diarrhea, constipation, or bloating, nutritional deficiencies, fatigue, headaches, joint pain, skin problems such as acne, rashes, or eczema, autoimmune conditions. Now, let's talk about the foods that can be your gut's best friend. These foods are known for their healing properties and their ability to repair the gut lining. By incorporating them into your diet, you can kickstart the healing process and promote better gut health. Adopt a gut healing diet. One of the most effective ways to heal leaky gut is through diet. Certain foods can help repair the gut lining and reduce inflammation, while others should be avoided as they can worsen the condition. Foods to include: bone broth. Bone broth is rich in collagen and amino acids like glutamine, glycine, and proline, which are essential for repairing the gut lining. Consuming bone broth regularly can help heal and seal the gut. Fermented foods. Fermented foods, such as sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and yogurt, are packed with probiotics that help restore the balance of good bacteria in the gut. This can reduce inflammation and improve gut health. Vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts are high in fiber and antioxidants, which support gut health. Fiber helps feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy microbiome. Healthy fats. Incorporating healthy fats like avocados, coconut oil, and olive oil can help reduce inflammation and support the gut lining. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon are also beneficial for gut health. Lean proteins. Lean proteins from sources such as chicken, turkey, and fish provide essential amino acids that are necessary for repairing the gut lining. Plant-based proteins like legumes and quinoa are also good options. Foods to avoid. Gluten. Gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, can contribute to increased gut permeability in some individuals. Avoiding gluten can help reduce inflammation and allow the gut to heal. Dairy. Some people with leaky gut are sensitive to dairy products, which can cause inflammation and digestive issues. It's best to eliminate dairy from your diet or choose lactose-free alternatives. Sugar and artificial sweeteners. Sugar and artificial sweeteners can disrupt the balance of good bacteria in the gut and promote the growth of harmful bacteria. Reducing sugar intake and avoiding artificial sweeteners can improve gut health. Processed foods. Processed foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives that can damage the gut lining. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods to support gut healing. Incorporate probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics and prebiotics play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Probiotics are live beneficial bacteria, while prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that feed these bacteria. Benefits of probiotics. Probiotics can help restore the balance of good bacteria in the gut, which is essential for gut health. They can reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and strengthen the gut barrier. Sources of probiotics. Fermented foods. As mentioned earlier, foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are rich in probiotics. Probiotic supplements. Look for high-quality probiotic supplements that contain multiple strains of bacteria. Benefits of prebiotics. Prebiotics provide food for the beneficial bacteria in the gut, helping them thrive. This can enhance gut health and improve the gut barrier. Sources of prebiotics. Garlic. Contains inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber. Onions, also rich in inulin. Bananas. high in resistant starch, a type of prebiotic. Asparagus contains inulin and other prebiotic fibers. By incorporating probiotics and prebiotics into your diet, you can support a healthy gut microbiome and promote the healing of the gut lining. Manage stress. Chronic stress can have a significant impact on gut health, contributing to the development of leaky gut. Managing stress is crucial for healing the gut and maintaining overall well-being. Effects of stress on the gut. Increased gut permeability. Stress can weaken the gut barrier, making it more permeable. Imbalance of gut bacteria. Chronic stress can disrupt the balance of good and bad bacteria in the gut. Reduced blood flow to the gut. Stress can decrease blood flow to the digestive tract, impairing digestion and nutrient absorption. Stress management techniques. Mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing on the present moment and observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It can reduce stress and improve gut health. Deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing exercises can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Yoga. Yoga combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation, making it an effective stress management technique. Exercise. Regular physical activity can reduce stress and improve overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Adequate sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for managing stress and supporting gut health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Use gut healing supplements. In addition to a healthy diet, certain supplements can help repair the gut lining and reduce inflammation. These supplements can provide targeted support for gut health. L-glutamine. L-glutamine is an amino acid that plays a key role in maintaining the integrity of the gut lining. It can help repair and regenerate the gut barrier, reducing gut permeability. Omega-3. Fatty acids. Omega-3. Fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the gut. They are found in fish oil supplements and foods like fatty fish, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral that supports immune function and helps maintain the integrity of the gut lining. Zinc supplements can be beneficial for individuals with leaky gut. Digestive enzymes. Digestive enzyme supplements can aid in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients, reducing the burden on the gut and supporting overall digestive health. Before starting any new supplement, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it's safe for you. By incorporating gut-healing supplements into your routine, you can provide additional support for repairing the gut lining and reducing inflammation. Reduce toxin exposure. Reducing exposure to environmental toxins can help protect the gut lining and support overall health. Toxins can come from various sources, including food, water, and personal care products. Sources of toxins: pesticides and herbicides, found in non-organic fruits and vegetables. Heavy metals can be present in contaminated water and certain foods. Food additives, artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives can damage the gut lining. Household cleaners. Many conventional cleaning products contain harmful chemicals. Personal care products, skincare, and cosmetic products can contain toxic ingredients. Ways to reduce toxin exposure. Choose organic produce. Opt for organic fruits and vegetables to reduce exposure to pesticides and herbicides. The Environmental Working Group, EWG, provides a list of the Dirty Dozen and Clean 15 to help you prioritize which produce to buy organic. Filter your water. Use a water filter to remove contaminants such as heavy metals, chlorine, and other chemicals from your drinking water. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods often contain artificial additives and preservatives. Choose whole, unprocessed foods to minimize toxin exposure. Use natural cleaning products. Switch to natural, non-toxic cleaning products to reduce exposure to harmful chemicals in your home. Choose non-toxic personal care products. Look for personal care products that are free from harmful ingredients like parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrances. Detoxifying the body. In addition to reducing toxin exposure, supporting the body's natural detoxification processes can help eliminate existing toxins. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush toxins out of the body. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Support liver health. The liver plays a key role in detoxification. Foods like garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables, e.g. broccoli, cauliflower, can support liver health. Sweat it out. Sweating helps eliminate toxins through the skin. Regular exercise and activities like sauna sessions can promote sweating and support detoxification. Eat fiber-rich foods. Fiber helps bind to toxins in the digestive tract and promote their elimination. Include plenty of fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet. By reducing toxin exposure and supporting the body's natural detoxification processes, you can protect the gut lining and promote overall health. Conclusion: healing leaky gut naturally is a multifaceted approach that involves adopting a gut-healing diet, incorporating probiotics and prebiotics, managing stress, using gut-healing supplements, and reducing toxin exposure. By implementing these strategies, you can take proactive steps towards healing leaky gut naturally and achieving optimal health. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen to ensure it's safe and appropriate for your individual needs. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips and tricks to being the best version of you.